The book is on the table. The pen is in the bag. He is sitting under the tree. The cat is on the roof. I live in Kabul. She is waiting at the bus stop. We are going to the market. The school is near the park. The keys are in my pocket. The picture is on the wall. The dog is sleeping under the chair. He is standing between two friends. The ball is behind the door. The chair is beside the table. The shop is across the street. The flowers are in the vase. The bird is on the tree. She is sitting next to me. He is hiding behind the curtain. The river flows through the city. I will meet you at 5 p.m. The movie starts at 7 o'clock. She was born in 2005. I go to school by bus. The letter is from my friend. He is angry with me. This gift is for you. I am interested in music. We walked along the river. The cat jumped onto the table. The keys are under the sofa. The boy is hiding behind the tree. The shop is opposite my house. He is sitting between his parents. She came from London. He is proud of his son. I am good at English. The ball rolled down the hill. The bird flew over the house. The picture is hanging above the bed. He lives near the school. The dog ran across the road. We will go to the market tomorrow. She is looking at the sky. I sat beside my friend. The children are playing in the garden. The phone is on the table. The car is parked in front of the house. The keys are inside the bag. The cat is hiding under the bed. He walked through the park. She jumped over the wall. I put my bag on the chair. He is sitting between two students. The book is next to the pen. The shop is behind the bank. The dog is sleeping beside the boy. The birds are flying above the trees. I will meet you at the station. She arrived on Monday. The sun rises in the east. The train leaves at noon. The kids are hiding under the table. He lives near the hospital. The river flows between the mountains. I am waiting for the bus. She is looking at the stars. The cat jumped onto the roof. The keys are inside the drawer. He ran across the street. The shop is opposite the park. I will sit beside you. The ball is rolling down the hill. He is walking along the road. The car is parked in front of the school. She came from her village. He is talking with his friend. I am interested in sports. The dog is hiding under the tree. The plane is flying over the city. The teacher is standing in the classroom. I put the book on the shelf. He is sitting between two chairs. The bag is beside the table. She lives near the river. The kids are playing in the park. The ball rolled under the sofa. The bird is sitting on the wall. The car went through the tunnel. I am waiting for my friend. He is looking at the painting. The cat jumped onto the bed. The shop is behind the school. I walked along the beach. The keys are inside the drawer. The sun sets in the west. He lives next to his cousin. She is running across the field.